Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can format Nokia C10. As you can see, just follow the steps along the way. You will see how you can format this phone and you do the needful. Here, what you do, you first open Pandora on your computer. As you can see, double click to open the Pandora Tool. You select the model of the phone, you select Nokia, then the other side you look for the right model of the phone. It's TA1342. As you can see, it's there down. You select it, then you select OK for the Pandora Tool to respond. Then you see this interface. When you see this interface, you look for where you want. You go on format section, or if you want to flash, put a file, you go on flash. But now we want to format the phone to hard reset it. You click on hard reset, then you say this risk at the data loss or stuff, then you click yes to proceed. Sorry for this. Then you click yes to allow the phone to respond. Then here you have to connect your phone. When you use the buttons for Nokia, they don't respond. So what you do, you open the phone. After opening the phone, then you use the test points. If you don't know these are the test points of Nokia C10. If you don't know them or you'd like to see the whole video of it, just check in the description link. You will see the video on how you can see the test points of Nokia C10. Then after connecting it, when it shows connected, then you release the test points and let the phone to flash until it finishes. Just be patient. As you see, it's connecting and loading to complete the process. Until it shows done. When it shows done, that means it has already been flashed well, all formatted. Sometimes when it's like done with formatting, it normally shows like formatting with buttons again, and that's not a default. It's how it should be. So don't feel like frustrated. Then here, if you would like to remove FRP as well, again you click on FRP button and connect the phone as I had showed you with the test points. Then you format you remove the FRP. If you'd like to see the video on how you can remove FRP, then check in another video. You will see how you can remove FRP for this phone. Then this is the interface which I was talking about. Sometimes it shows this format again using the buttons. Then you format the phone again. And you have to make sure it's fully charged before doing this. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more tech videos.